Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine and doing well at home. Today once again we're back to our English class 7. Today we will see Unit 3 Gopal and the Hilsa Fish. This is one of the comic story. Before maybe you had read this type of comic story. And as we know that comic story always contains some pictures. In Gopal and the Hilsa Fish also some pictures are there so you can understand this comic story easily. So let's start our story. It was the season for Hilsa fish. Fisherman could think of nothing but Hilsa fish. So this is a season for Hilsa fish. For the mango, we know that summer is a season. So, same way, for the Hilsa fish, maybe it's a monsoon or any other season. So, in this particular season, fisherman, here M-E-N means all the fishermen who's just talking about the Hilsa fish. Fishmongers sold nothing but Hilsa fish. Sold here is a past form of sell. And fishmongers means who's selling fish. So all the fishmongers are just selling Hilsa fish but not any other fish. Come buy, the price of Hilsa is down today. And what they are talking? That come and buy because the price of Hilsa are down today means low today. Householders could talk of nothing but Hilsa fish. Householders means the person who is living in the house, the owner of the house. So they are also talking with each other related Hilsa fish only. They are not talking any other things. How much did you pay for that Hilsa? And what they are talking with each other? They are asking the price of Hilsa. They are not asking any other things. They are just talking about the Hilsa fish and price of Hilsa fish. You wouldn't believe it if I told you. And what the reply that person got? That if I say the price of Hilsa fish, might be you will not believe on it. And in the palace too, the courtiers could discuss nothing but Hilsa fish. As we know that courtiers means that the person who is the advisor of king. So in the king's court also, people are just talking about the Hilsa fish. Your Majesty, you should have seen the huge Hilsa I caught it was. And the courtier was saying to the king, Your Majesty. Majesty is a word to give high respect to king. So one of the courtiers saying that, Your Majesty, you should have seen the huge means a big Hilsa fish, which I caught. Caught is a past form of catch. It was. Here he just take a pause and look at what happened. Stop it. The king become angry. That he just saying that stop means the king don't want to listen anything related Hilsa fish. Are you a courtier or a fisherman? And what the king is saying? In an angry mood, he's saying that you are a courtier, you are not a fisherman, so you are talking about the fish. The courtier fell silent with downcast eyes. The king felt guilty. When the king became very angry on him, so he's completely become silent because the king become angry on him. Fell is a past form of fall. He's become very silent with a downcast eyes. Means he's not watching in the eyes of king, but he's watching downstairs. Down way means that he is completely feeling shame when the king is saying him that you are a courtier, you are not a fisherman. The king felt guilty, but after become angry on courtier, the king himself felt that he has done wrong with courtier. I'm sorry, I lost my temper. It is the season for Hilsa fish and no one. And king accepted that it's my fault that I become angry on you. And I lost my temper means I become angry. It is the season for Hilsa fish and no one. It's a season for Hilsa fish, so definitely you will talk about the Hilsa fish only. So the king felt guilty and says sorry to courtier. Not even Gopal can stop anyone from talking about Hilsa fish, not even for 5 minutes. And what the king is saying to Gopal, that everyone is talking about Hilsa fish, even Gopal also. And Gopal also cannot stop, means he also cannot do anything so people can stop to talk about Hilsa fish. Not of 5 minutes also. Oh, I think I could, Your Majesty. But here, what Gopal is saying, that I think I can do that things, that I can make stop to people to think about or to talk about Hilsa fish. Then let me see you buy a huge Hilsa and bring it to the palace without anyone asking you a word about it. So the king saying to Gopal that okay, if you are saying that I think I can do this, so do one thing, bring a big Hilsa fish and bring the way in the palace so no one can ask you anything about Hilsa fish. I accept the challenge, Your Majesty. And as you are watching in the picture, that Gopal accepted the challenge which is given by the king. Now we will see in the next video that how he is doing this challenge. He is really doing what he is doing to bring Hilsa fish to the palace.